2 Robert Drive, Ballarat North. A location sensation, always in demand and highly sought after, this Ballarat North home provides you with split-level living to create an A1 list. Angled perfectly to take advantages of the spectacular views from the lounge and balcony, this property is awaiting an energised purchaser to tend to its life. Once inside, you are greeted by a well-presented family home with polished flooring and plush carpet. 3 bedrooms include a walk-in robe and semi-ensuite in the master, plus 2 further rooms provide built-ins. A living zone to the front and the rear provide an opportunity to gather together or apart. Air conditioning, central vacuum and gas log heating are important elements within a multi-level home, and this residence has covered all the bases. A delightful paved area directly beyond the full wall glass opening provides the perfect space to enjoy a barbecue in private surroundings. The real bonus is the Northway Shopping Complex, school, kinder and public transport just minutes away, with further amenities and facilities close by. Make your move with confidence and enjoy the visual attractions and environment of this architectural home.